Hello folks, welcome back. I hope you keep up with your practice. I'm going to start out with the 4-2-2-4. Try to hit 6 and 8. 5, 1, 4, 5 point. When I'm practicing, I'm focusing on what probability number shows up the most with that dice combination, and just focus more on my grips and how the dice travel together. Try to get them to travel like they're tight, like one unit. Eleven, 6, 5. Three, 1, 2. Six, 1, 5. Just trying to get the dice to travel as one unit and reducing the rebound and avoid the double kiss. 11, 6, 5. That's about 5 roll. You should be safe. Shut everything off because you're in the math now after that. Just try to be consistent. If you're consistent, your results should still be consistent everywhere you go. 8, 6, 2. You want to practice everything inconsistent so everything can be repeated as close as possible. One, 1, 2. Just like that, how the dice travel together. Ten, 6, 4. That was a perfect toss for me. The dice traveling together all the way until they landed. Sometimes when that happens, I 7 out. I get mad when that happens, when the dice travels perfectly together all the way and then you still 7 out. Just can't explain how that happened. Just like that. 9, 6, 3. you've been watching my videos all the way from the beginning till now, you notice that there's a big difference between how the dice travel. Right now the dice are traveling together tighter, like one unit compared to how I was in the beginning. 7 out. So that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Not bad, but not great either. 7 out on a 10 roll. But just keep practicing. Take care.